Hey loves, I did a beginner friendly holiday look. If you want to see how you can do it too, stay tuned.
Went to paradise, loving and laughing and sharing.
Alright, so I did my eyebrows off camera already because you know how the eyebrows can sometimes take just as long as the whole face. So of course I have a little bit of concealer left on my hand from that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige, and I'm gonna add that and mix it in together with this so that I can have a good base for my eyeshadow. So I mixed it together with this with the back of my brush, and I'm just gonna take a dab there. And stick it down there. I'm gonna pat it in. I'm going to wet my beauty blender, blend it in a little more, and I'm gonna lift it up into my under eye as well. Okay, so now that I've got my base set, I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Seeing Stars palette, and I'm gonna take this color up here, and I am going to put a little bit of that in my crease. And now that I've got that blended out, I am going to go into this old BH Cosmetics color palette. I am going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into this green that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up. This green right here, and I'm gonna put that over what I just put on in the crease. And as you can see, there's a lot of fallout with these eyeshadows. That's why I decided to do my face makeup after. I'm gonna take this dark green, and I'm gonna focus that on my lid. It's really pigmented. Okay, so now that that's on there, I'm gonna go right back in with that same brush that I used for the lighter green earlier in the crease, and I'm just gonna, with no new eyeshadow on it, I'm gonna blend that out. Now I'm winging all of these out on purpose. I'm gonna take the third green up right here underneath the one that we used in our crease, and I'm just gonna dab it a little bit and just use it out on the outer corners. I'm gonna go into this Ulta Beauty Sparkle and Shine palette, one of those huge beauty boxes, the eyeshadows underneath. I took out the eyeshadows so it'd just be easier for me to show you. So I am going to take this Shimmer Forest Green, and I'm gonna focus that on the outside of the eyelid. I'm gonna tap that in. I'm not gonna really worry about blending it in too much. On this side, it comes with some top coats. I'm gonna use this top coat right here. I'm just gonna use my finger with it, and I'm gonna focus that on the insides of my lid. I'm gonna get a makeup wipe that off my fingers. And I'm gonna use that same makeup wipe to clean up around my eyes. I'm gonna drag it so that I can make a nice angle. Now the angle you want to make is it should be meeting like with your eyebrow, the bottom of your eyebrow. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do my face makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went in and did my face the way that I usually do. The same way I did it in my everyday makeup look. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go right back in with these two brushes that I used before. So I'm gonna go in with the bright green first, and I'm gonna focus that just on my lash line. Now I'm gonna go and focus that Forest Shimmer Green underneath my waterline as well. now that I'm done smoking it out under my waterline, I am going to take the same brush that I used earlier from the Sephora palette, where I used this color. I'm gonna smudge out that line just a little bit. I'm gonna keep it as sharp as possible, but I'm gonna smoke it out just a little bit. As you can see, my edges are now done and ready for human consumption. I was laying them, girl. Okay, so now that that is blended out, I'm gonna go in with two colors. First, I'm gonna use from the same Ulta palette. I'm gonna use this double-sided pencil. I'm gonna use the side olive, and I'm gonna line the front of my waterline, the first half. Focus the olive mainly in the part where the silver shimmer, up until like this part where the silver shimmer is. And then I'm gonna go in with this Lord & Berry pencil, and it is in the color VELLUTO Supreme Green 1808, and I'm gonna line the rest of my waterline in this color. So that makes it pop like a really nice money green, if you can see. And I am now going to take my liquid eyeliner and I'm going to do my cat eye. I just want the green to show. So after I am done with that, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Now I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm gonna go in with my highlight, which is very depressing. It broke. But I'm gonna go in with this pink one. It's the Halo Strobing palette from Kiss. I'm sorry, I'm really obsessed with highlight. Got some in my hair, so I sprayed it with water. Now that that's done, I am going to take my matte chili lipstick from MAC. And I don't have any red lip liner, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go in just to tone it down just a little bit since it's very in your face. I'm going to take this soft matte lipstick from NYX, and it is called Main Street. And I'm just gonna go over the red just a little bit on my top lips, not the bottom. And now I'm gonna apply my lashes. Spray one more time for good measure. You know I love to spray. And that's the final look. I hope that you guys enjoy your holidays. See you next time, loves. Bye.
A very special